Well, hello there. It's Clive Leach here. It's Sunday the 28th of July. The time is just coming up for 10:30. It's already very warm, and it's some time since I've done a little post for our YouTube channel, and apologies for not being so regular as I would have liked to have been, but we've had a very busy time on the boat. We've had lots of pals come on board the boat. Unfortunately, because we provided them with food and of course drink, the floor has rather suffered. So if you take a look here at our teak floor, you'll see that we've got a bit of staining on it here and there, which is ugly. So the job today is to try, well, not try, but to do and get rid of all this mess. So I'm going to get to work in the very near future, a bit more later on. So step one is that I have removed all the cushions that come into contact with the teak, like here for example, and I've put this hard cover on this sliding cushion because obviously I don't want that to get damaged. So I've removed all the other cushions, bit of a over safety measure really, but just in case. So I'm going to give now the deck a quick vacuum, and then we'll start getting the solution mixed up. So the decks have been vacuumed, and I've taken the canopy off at the rear here because I want to do this area first. You can see the staining, particularly this fella here, and I don't know what's caused that. Be interested to see if this stuff gets it out. But so we're going to now mix the solution up and get cracking basically. I've vacuumed all the decks, I've put all the covers on, we're ready to go. I'm going to use this stuff, part 1 and part 2. I'm going to mix it up, 5 parts water to 1 part of this stuff. That's what they recommend for sort of general cleaning, and we'll give it a go and see what happens. I really hope it gets rid of the stains, but we'll see. I might have to give it one more go, who knows. We'll try and we'll get to the bottom of it. Okay. I've finished. The time, oh I don't know, I haven't got my watch on. I'll have to get out of my bag. I've done parts 1 and part 2 on the teak deck, and it's still partially damp. So in parts you can't really see the effect of it, but what you can see where the sun's been at it and it's dried out, it's gone back to the original teak colour. And I'm pretty sure I've got all the horrible stains and grottiness out of it, so I'm pleased. So here's have a look. So this obviously is where it's dried, and you can see that, you know, all the horrible oily food stains and stuff like that. Harder to tell on the wet parts of the floor. And this is only because it's in the shade, because I've got the roof closed and all the rest of it. I'm about to sheet the boat up and go home because I need a rest. So then the key to doing this, I think, is follow the instructions, use the right quantity, plenty of elbow grease, plenty of patience, and plenty of water. Not necessarily in that order, but there we go. So I think for today that's me done, and I'm going to go home and have a shower and a drink. So if you've enjoyed this, found it useful and all the rest of the jazz, please don't forget to subscribe, because that makes me really happy, and to like it, that makes me even happier still, and it all helps with the algorithm. So for now, toodaloo. Well, good morning. Well, it's good morning if you're watching this in the morning. I've no idea what time I'm doing it. However, the time now is 25 minutes to 11, and it's Monday, So yesterday we gave the cockpit, you know, an acid wash and all the rest of the jazz. So I've just arrived now at the marina, and I'm really keen to see how the floor has dried out. So let's go take a look and see what we shall see. So it's already pretty warm down here. Oh, I say, first glance looks encouraging. Let's just take the shoes off. Well, I think that looks pretty good. Gosh, it's warm in here. I think we'll just get the roof open. Everything seems to be... I'm just opening the roof, as you can see. But everything seems to be a nice uniform colour. And all in all, I think I'm quite pleased with the job. So, going to get the cushions out, well, at least some of them, and we'll get the sides and roof off, and then I'm going to use a sealant, Semco basically, to seal this today, and let that dry overnight and see how it looks tomorrow. Fingers crossed, we'll see what it's like a little later on. Whew, it's hot. According to my watch, it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit in the shade. You centigrade people will have to work out that, I have no idea. But I have finished now doing this Teak, and it's still drying out. But as you can see, there's been a significant improvement. And I'm just going to leave that now to dry, and I'm going home for a shower. And that's me done. And this is Lawrence. Say hello, Lawrence.
Hello, Lawrence.
Thank you. So that's all from me for now, because I am absolutely tired. Catch you later.